Hi, this is Freddie over at Platinum Auto World, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at this vehicle that just came in. This right here is a 2019, one owner 2019 Toyota 4Runner. It is a Trd Off-Road. It comes loaded to the gills, leather interior, oversized tires, heated seats, sunroof, and plenty more. I hope you guys like it. Sun. How about today? All right, I hope this video gives you guys a better idea what this vehicle looks like in person. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 540-898-8300. This vehicle is available now at driveplatinum.com. Thank you very much for watching.